Are you struggling with hair that just won't grow fast enough? Do you deal with dryness, frizz, breakage, or thinning that keeps you from having the long, strong, silky hair you've always wanted? If you've searched for natural solutions to rapid hair growth, deep conditioning, or DIY protein treatments, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to make an easy but powerful homemade hair mask using just 2 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: eggs and avocado. This mask is a natural protein treatment designed to strengthen your hair, repair damage, add moisture, and encourage rapid growth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare it, how to apply it, why it works, and how to use it regularly for the best results. Watch until the end because I'll also share some extra tips to maximize your hair's strength, elasticity, and shine. When it comes to natural beauty and hair care, people are increasingly turning to simple DIY recipes. The reason is clear: homemade treatments avoid harsh chemicals, cost very little, and often outperform expensive products. Among all natural hair treatments, the egg and avocado hair mask stands out as a true powerhouse. This deep conditioning mask is rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and healthy fats. It's one of the best ways to give your hair exactly what it needs to grow thicker, stronger, and healthier. So let's get started. Take 1 ripe avocado, cut it lengthwise around the seed and open it into 2 halves. Use a spoon to scoop the soft green flesh into a bowl. Avocado is a superfood not only for your body but also for your hair. It contains vitamins E, B, and C along with amino acids that repair damage and nourish your scalp. The oils in avocado are light yet deeply moisturizing, making it a perfect base for this mask. Once the avocado is in the bowl, mash it with a fork until you get a creamy, lump-free texture. This ensures the mask spreads easily and coats every strand of your hair. Next, crack 2 fresh eggs into the bowl of mashed avocado. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of protein, biotin, folate, and vitamins A and E. These nutrients strengthen weak strands, thicken your hair, and make it more resistant to breakage. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats that restore shine, while the egg white provides the protein that fills in gaps in your hair cuticle. Mix the avocado and eggs together until they form a smooth, well-blended paste. This mixture is now your DIY protein treatment. Before applying, make sure your hair is slightly damp. Divide your hair into sections so you can coat it evenly. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mixture directly onto your scalp and work it through the entire length of your hair. Massage it gently into the scalp because a healthy scalp is essential for rapid hair growth. Then continue working the mask through until every strand is covered. The creamy texture of avocado combined with the richness of eggs makes the mask cling well to your hair, ensuring maximum absorption. Once the mask is applied, comb through your hair with a wide-toothed comb to detangle and spread it evenly. This step also helps reduce breakage. After applying, cover your hair with a plastic cap or wrap to trap heat and moisture. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes. During this time, the nutrients penetrate deep into the hair shaft, strengthening, moisturizing, and repairing damage. The proteins harden the cuticle layer, making hair smoother and more resilient, while the natural oils replenish moisture and improve shine. After about 30 minutes, go ahead and rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, then follow up with a gentle shampoo and conditioner to wash away any leftover residue. It's important to avoid hot water here because it can actually cook the egg and, make rinsing a lot more difficult. Once your hair feels clean, you can apply a light leave-in conditioner to lock in that softness and make your hair a bit more manageable. To finish up, just style your hair as you normally would. A lot of people notice immediate results like smoother, shinier strands and less frizz. And honestly, over time, with regular use, you'll see stronger hair, less shedding, and even some noticeable growth. Now let's recap why this egg and avocado mask is so effective for rapid hair growth. First, avocado delivers amino acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants that fight damage and promote healthy follicles. It moisturizes dry, brittle hair and restores elasticity. Second, eggs provide an instant boost of protein, repairing weak areas in the cuticle. The vitamins and biotin in eggs improve thickness, shine, and resistance to breakage. Together, these 2 ingredients form a natural deep conditioning protein treatment that transforms dry, frizzy hair into silky, strong strands. They also stimulate the scalp, strengthen the roots, and encourage faster growth. A question people often ask is, how often should you use a protein treatment like this? The answer is once a month for most hair types. Protein builds strength, but too much can cause stiffness. Once monthly keeps your hair balanced between protein and moisture. If your hair is extremely damaged, you might use it every 2 weeks until it improves, then reduce to monthly. For even better results, follow these tips. Always use a ripe avocado for a smoother texture. Add a teaspoon of olive oil, coconut oil, or honey if you want extra moisture. If you have oily hair, focus more on the mid-lengths and ends rather than the scalp. Always wash thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. And remember that consistency is key. Natural remedies take time, but the benefits build with regular use. This simple DIY hair mask proves that you don't need expensive salon treatments or chemical-laden products to get the hair of your dreams. With just eggs and avocado, you can create a deep conditioning protein treatment that supports rapid hair growth, strengthens your strands, and restores shine and softness. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share it with someone who's trying to grow their hair, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more natural beauty remedies and DIY treatments. And let me know in the comments, have you tried an egg and avocado hair mask before? What results did you see? I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.